Every day, markets breathe heavy, weighted down by a massive, hidden force that's lurking like a sleeping giant. Capital overhang. Imagine this: billions, trillions of dry powder, sitting idle, waiting. But for what? For the right moment? Or for a trap to snap shut? This isn't just a line on a balance sheet. This is a furnace of frustration for founders hungry for growth, investors clawing for returns, leaders desperate to move the needle but stuck in paralysis. You feel it right now, this gnawing tension beneath the surface, that burning frustration as opportunity slips through your fingers while piles of capital just pile up, frozen, suffocating the market's pulse. It's maddening, isn't it? To watch cash hoarded, deals delayed, innovation stalled, all because the system itself is collapsed under the weight of too much money, too much waiting. Here's the brutal truth: capital overhang is not some harmless buildup waiting to explode into growth. No, it's a trap, a slow, grinding chokehold on the markets. It distorts incentives, inflates valuations beyond reality, and fuels a bubble of false hope. When everyone's hoarding dry powder, no one actually moves. Deal flow dries out. Competition turns to silence. Fear masquerades as patience. And if you're an investor or founder, betting on this calm is a bet on catastrophe. This deadlock is what kills million-dollar dreams, burns down lifetime portfolios, and leaves visionary founders stranded with ideas but no bridge to the future. So what do you do when capital itself becomes a cage? When the market's pulse is flatlined by waiting and fear? The answer is urgent, non-negotiable. Stop waiting to be saved by some market miracle. The game changer doesn't come from outside. It comes from breaking free inside. You as the alpha disruptor who flips this script. Step 1, don't chase the herd or wait for floodgates to open. Instead, hunt down the overlooked, the ignored. Seek out markets and sectors where capital overhang hasn't yet reached. Drill deep into tech, health, energy, or niche sectors that mainstream eyes have missed. This is your battlefield. Lean in where others hesitate. Step 2, recalibrate what value means. Forget inflated valuations and buzzwords. Build relentlessly on fundamentals. Focus obsessively on cash flow, customer traction, and real growth engines. In private equity, that means ruthless due diligence that slices through the hype. Expose the skeletons disguised as potential. Be the hunter who turns data into a weapon. Use strategic patience, not passive waiting. Demand operational improvements, real turnaround strategies, and entrepreneurial grit that lifts companies from just surviving to thriving in market chaos. Step 3, embrace collaboration like never before. The system's illusions thrive on isolation. Founders kept in silos, investors locked in echo chambers. Smash that. Connect fiercely with opposites, partners who challenge assumptions, voices from different geographies and industries. This brutal diversity is your secret weapon, creating synergy explosive enough to break the capital deadlock and ignite something new. And with every new link you forge, your network turns from a collection of isolated actors into an unstoppable force. Remember, capital overhang is a symptom of a bigger issue: markets paralyzed by fear, systems broken by their own contradictions, people trapped in old mindsets. The only way through is boldness, radical boldness. Don't settle for riding the wave when you can be the wave breaker. Hunt the unloved deals, build real value, forge unmatched partnerships across borders and sectors. This is the code for survival and domination in a private equity world choked by its own excess. Capital overhang might be setting the next market trap, but it's also lighting the fuse for a revolution. Will you wait frozen with the crowd? Or will you step forward, smash the illusion, and claim the future on your terms? The clock's ticking. Move now, or get buried under the weight of waiting.